there guys, and welcome back to ToyBroadway. And today I have an awesome toy to review from Creepy Creatures. It's a remote controlled tarantula. Be sure to give this video a chilling thumbs up. Also subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on any of the fun. Okay then guys, be brave with me. Let's take a look at the back of the box. Oh my goodness, it's got creepy, crawly, realistic movement, furry texture, and also a remote control. And it says you can scare your family and friends and even yourself with this remote control tarantula. The controller is easy to use. Simply use the directional buttons, forward, backwards, left and right, or auto demonstrate functions. And there's 8 legs that move separately to help it crawl quietly on any smooth surface. Oh, this is giving me the heebie-jeebies. So sit back and watch as you scare unsuspecting victims. Okay then guys, ready or not, time to unbox. Oh wow, here it is guys. Okay, so this is what the tarantula looks like, and here are some instructions. But now I've got to get this out of the box. Okay. It feels furry. Oh, right, okay. So let's undo the back, and that should release our tarantula. Okay. Oh, quick, quick, quick. Whoa! Oh my goodness, it's big and it's heavy and it's scary. And this is our remote control, just need some batteries. Be sure to give this video a creepy crawly thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on any of the fun. Keep watching for more awesome videos.